Okay, so it is the weekend and that means one thing. Back out in the garden. So I will go around and I'll show you what we did last week, and I accidentally forgot to film it all because we were kind of like jumping in and out between the rainy spells and I just didn't set up the camera. So I will show you what we did last weekend. It's looking a lot better. But today we've got the skip and we've got the stones have arrived. But I am on my Todd as Alex is on a stag in Budapest. So I'm not putting too much pressure on myself, and I am going out for coffee with my friend in a bit, so it's not all hard today. But yeah, let's get showing you what we did last week. Okay, so before I go around the corner, I'm just going to pop up a photo of what it looked like last week. Okay, so if you remember, this is what the neighbour's fence unfortunately looks like, and all the stinging nettles seem to just grow and breaking the back of their fence. And this is what it's looking like at the moment. So it's not perfect, but it's looking a lot better. We decided to go with a bamboo screen because there is a fence behind already, and this is really easy and affordable to put up. So yeah, it's looking a lot better, but we still got some work to do. So we just need to put another 3 posts in there now and get the last bit of bamboo screening up. And then we're going to put some stones all down on the floor. But my job for today is to get everything in the skip, which is on the drive. So let's go and do that. That was hard graft and I'm out of breath. My camera stopped recording, of course it did. But yeah, I'm gonna go out for coffee now. Am I, Hughes? And then I'll be back. I've actually done more than I thought I would in 40 minutes. So I think I'm gonna be on for the home stretch this weekend and hopefully get it looking a lot nicer. Ready for Alex to come back from Budapest, and he's got Monday off. So he's gonna jackhammer all the fence posts into the floor. So hopefully, you know, if this by midweek, I think we'll be pretty much there. We just need to get the bamboo up, but it obviously need to wait for daylight. We both finish at 5 and it's dark, so. Good morning. So yesterday was quite a productive day actually, considering I'm just here by myself. So I managed to get about this much done. I forgot to film last night. So last night I got back from coffee with my friend and it was dark. So I cleared this side of the garden, but I didn't film it because it was literally pitch black, but I could still see enough to get things from here into the skip. So that's what I did. And now today, my plan is, I'm just gonna have a cup of tea. So today, my plan is there's still a little bit round this side here that needs tidying up. So I'm just gonna finish tidying up both sides. And then I also need to dismantle the fence panel and the pallet. So I'll do that. And then my main aim is to clear this area here, move the pad stones, no, they're not called pad stones, move the pavers, and then put some tarpaulin down, and I can start shoveling then some of the stones back and forth onto the floor and get this area looking a lot brighter and a lot nicer. So that is my plan for today. Again, I am on my own, so I do need to walk the dog and wait for a Tesco delivery. But apart from that, I don't think I've got much else on. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've also bought some twinkly lights from Amazon, which I'm going to install in the garden today. I'm going to put some more grass seeds down in the muddy area of the garden. And then I'm hoping it's going to look a lot better by the end of today. It's now 11 o'clock, so I've got about 6 hours of daylight to go. But obviously I need to do some other bits and bobs today, like walk the dog. So let's get a move on, guys. Right, still some sweeping to do, but oh gosh, it looks so much better down here. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this cladding. Alex wants to use it for something, but any leftovers, hopefully we can just cut up and put it in the skip, unless anybody thinks it's worth me putting it on Facebook Marketplace or something. Oh, it's looking a lot better down here, so much better. So the plan now that that's done for down here is to, like I said earlier, move these. Maybe I'll just have to pop them by here for now. And then I want to level out this area as much as I can. Maybe have to crack some of this concrete off to make it a bit more straight. And then I'm going to put tarpaulin. Oh, I keep calling it tarpaulin. I'm going to put weed membrane all the way down there, down here, up until about here. And then all the way down here as well, because up to here, all of this is going to be stones. So I think I better get a move on. I'm not putting much pressure on myself. Let's move the pavers. Might need a shovel. Use the pitchfork. Oh god, it's heavy. Oh, so much heavier than I thought it would be. Oh my god. Oh god, oh my god, oh my god. That's heavy. That's heavy. Next is... Oh god, I'm not as fit as I... Don't need a gym. Okay, so these are the twinkly lights I bought. I'm gonna go and try and put them up now because it's getting dark, so I really would like to see them out there tonight. Yeah, let me go and try and put them up.
So I did manage to persuade Alex on his hangover from his friend Stag to do the tarpaulin for me, because I just felt like I just didn't have any energy left, which he did, thankfully, and put the slabs back, although I think they need somewhat adjusting. But yeah, this project is still not over, guys, so make sure you follow along, because I think we're going to try and finish this area this weekend, so putting more fence posts in and transporting all the stones to this area. So if you've got this far, thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.